So we showed you before with the Borla Attack. This is after. Still got factory converters there and there. Then we took all those clamps out and put a sleeve, really nice clean sleeve. Then we did a 3" to 2.5 Y pipe and another sleeve instead of the Borla Attack right there, and left everything else the same. There and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there's the Borla Attack muffler we took off. 2007 Lincoln Mark LT 4-door truck. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then what we did on it is a Y pipe duals, straight out the back, straight pipes, 2 1/4 on each side, there and there, with 4" roll tips by 18, right there and right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There's the Y pipe duals right there. 2011 Ford F-150 5.4 liter V8. I knew that. It's got stock converters there and there. They're massive. Then somebody did a resonant delete earlier, some other shop. Then we did a muffler delete. It had a MagnaFlow on it over there. We cut it off and put Y pipe in its place, and it's dualed out the side. On one side, like the Raptors and stuff like that, and the Harley Davidson back in the day. There it is. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second, see how you guys like it. Beautiful truck. Ford F-150 Lariat. And there's the MagnaFlow that we cut off. 2010 Ford F-250 V10 King Ranch Beast of a truck. Right there. Lifted. Makes it really bad for us because, you know, we had to go under like that. Anyway, still got stock converters there and there. Then it's got 3" pipe. Then we added a 3" to 2.5 Y pipe. And then 2.5" tailpipes, mandrel bent, into 5" rolled tips there and there. That's how you dual them out, right there. Came out really nice, really pretty. Right there and right there. There it is out the back. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. Much better. So now it was 107, I think. Now what? Go ahead. 115. Wow, that's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Much better. can see how many decibels it is. Go ahead. Again. You want it? Quieter? Or are you good? Sound good off the side. Sound decibels are like 115. Release the beast. Much better. That's sound decibel. Again. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 100. It's probably louder than that. It's about 110. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. I love that idle, that V10. Baby. F-150 V10. So these guys came all the way from Atlanta to us. We really appreciate it. Nothing beats straight by. Hope you guys like it. Get on it. When you go? Good Lord.
I love it, man. I appreciate it.
Anytime, bro. Take it easy.